Hey guys, what's up? So a few days ago I decided to enter a raffle on Kit, and normally when I enter these raffles it's kind of like a crapshoot. I just put my name in there and expect never to hear back. But I was super lucky and yeah, I actually won the raffle. So this is what I got. Bam. And I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and describe the shoe, review, and do like a quick on-feed as well. So I picked up the shoes this morning, and the funny thing is, like, right when I exited the store, some kid just came up to me and started spamming me asking if I was selling the shoe. Well, I didn't sell the shoe, which is why I'm doing the unboxing right now. Maybe I'll sell it in the future, but we'll see how much I like it and how comfortable it is. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. So I got pretty lucky with the win, but I got pretty unlucky with the box that I got. As you can see, it's looking pretty distressed. Got some creases over here and some pretty nasty ripping in the back. Yeah, I mean, as long as the shoes are okay, it's fine. And I'm not gonna be too picky. So the box is pretty standard for Off-White. You got this Nike swoosh at the top in quotes. Yeah, let's open it up. So one thing I just realized about these Off-White boxes is, like, the inside, this stuff is normally on the outside. And yeah, so they did like a pretty cool reverse thing. Didn't notice it until now. We got this cool Off-White wrapping paper. Nobody really cares too much about that. And bam, we got the shoes. So I got the orange one, which is called All Hallows Eve. There was also a black one, which was part of this collection, and it's like a Halloween collection, which is why it's all orange and black. Not sure which one I like better, but I'll take what I can get. You can't be too picky with these Off-White Nike collabs. Oh, and these also come with an extra pair of shoelaces. So I guess you can match this little thing back here. So the retail price of these is $130, which is not too bad, especially when you consider the resale price, which currently it's around $700. Not sure if it'll go up or go down, but I remember the OG 10, they went up quite a lot. So yeah, maybe these will go up in the future. I guess you never know. So let's take a closer look at the shoe. Of course, you got the classic zip tie, which is on all of the Off-White Nike collabs. You got this huge ass swoosh over here, and on the back, this is pretty cool. You got this little code going on, and it says FA18, which I believe is fall of 2018, which is now. And then MNSBSK, which I think stands for men's basketball, because this was originally a basketball shoe. I actually barely knew about Blazers until Off-White did a collab with them. And honestly, I feel like the silhouette is pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of the high top Converses. Let's see how these look on my feet, so I'm gonna just try them on real quick. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.